In this session, we're going to talk about some features that we have for your contacts. Enterprise setup off of our home ribbon. You'll have a section here called contacts. So you have actually three subsections. You have contact categories, attributes, and marketing source. These are going to give you different ways to collect information within your contact cards, and then in return, you can pull reports. So what is a contact category? It's just giving you a way to categorize your clientele. Now you can use this for customers only. You could use it for employees. You could use it for suppliers, whichever you so choose. So to add a category in here, you just simply go up to the top ribbon, click on add, give it a name, and you can even put in a little description. So I might say, well, I want to track my fleet customers. Just give it a name, hit OK, and now I have a category. You can make as many or as few as you like. Let's just go add another one here. Let's say we have a retail. You notice within this area, there's no extra tab for locations. That simply means that when I enter this, it will automatically go out to all the locations. Attributes are just some type of data that you're trying to collect. So I go up and add. I can give it a name or a code, a label, and what type of data am I collecting. There is a separate training session that deals strictly with attributes. It goes into the details of all the different types and how they're utilized. So let's just say we want to collect a credit card. So I want to get a credit card number, and I want to keep that on file for a customer. So that could simply be a string box or an integer, either way. So I hit OK. Now that's going to give me a place within the contact card to put the credit card number. And you can make one for expiration date, CVV code, whatever you like. Marketing source. Again, this would be the various marketing sources if I like to track how people are coming in the business. Maybe they're coming from the website, could be a referral, whatever you like. So make as many or as few as you want. All three of these, as soon as you make them, will automatically go to the locations. So let's go see what happens. So I'm going to save it. And we're going to go out to the various locations. So here I have two of my locations up. I have on the left side location 2 and on the right side location 3. Let's go to setup, contacts, contact categories. So you see now those categories are at the location. Again, gray background means it's coming from the enterprise. Here's my attribute. Now, why do I have this attribute here from the enterprise and these are in white? Well, that's simply because these were created at this particular location. And then I have my marketing sources. If I go over to location 3 and look, there are my two from the enterprise, my attribute, and marketing source. The thing you want to remember about this is if you're going to make specific ones at a location, these will not follow along with the customer. So if I copy a customer over from one location to another, you may lose this. Where if it's part of the enterprise, it'll stay with it. So you just want to kind of remember that when you're dealing with these. Lastly, let's go see where these are set up in a contact card. So I'm going to go to contacts, pull up a contact. We use John Smith here. Right click. We're going to do edit on John. So on your main page of your contact card, you're going to have what we call source. This is your marketing source. So you just simply open it, select what your source is. Under details, you will find your categories, and here you can select whichever category you want. And under other is where your attributes will be. So here you could put in, whatever your card is. Those are the three places they go into the contact card. And don't forget, all three of these do have reporting capabilities. So once they're set, save it. And then once you copy this customer over from one location to another, those three will follow.